why do you call it PTPT?
PTPT is because the software captures people, things, places, and time. If you take these 4 letters, then it's PTPT, and that sounds like French petit petit, which is small, small, and we like that because wiki is Hawaiian for wiki, wiki, and that means fast, fast, and we are small, small. And sort of PTPT is a wiki for apps, because applications actually feed in their knowledge into a universal database. So each application that feeds into PTPT's universe makes the overall system smarter. And that's the connection to wiki, but also like from the naming. The philosophy behind PTPT is that we tried to construct a software that is able to capture your whole life. So the idea is really to have a database that can represent your world. So when you look at this meeting here, then we are people with some things at this point in time, at this place. So every single situation in your life can be captured in these 4 dimensions: people, things, places, and time. And so the idea is that if you have a database and a knowledge understanding system that can transform anything in your life, all sorts of information streams, and decompose them into these 4 elements, we call them maybe atoms, and reconstruct them to molecules, like a situation that you want to describe, then this database is very universal, and you can use it on a smartphone to really help the user in every situation. And the idea is to get all sorts of access to the information streams of the user, like emails or Facebook, but also pictures that the user is shooting, so that you can cross-connect all sorts of information that come in, analyze them into their little atoms, and then reconnect them to a larger chunk of situational representations. And the nice thing is that this stream of knowledge can be brought back to the user whenever he needs it. So the software is not only for recording knowledge and capturing everything that you produce, but also bringing back that knowledge when you need it. So when you write an email about hey, this is the pictures that I shot in San Francisco, then we will understand you while you're writing it, and can propose you the attachments, namely the pictures that you shot in San Francisco. So there is always a descriptive aspect of the software that is capturing your life, but also an assistive piece of the software that is actually helping you to get things done. So basically, wherever there is data from you, either on device or in the cloud, we can cross-connect that basically on device. So we are not a cloud service. The whole computation, understanding, and cross-connection, also the storage, is done on device, which is a privacy issue, because PTPT, of course, knows quite a lot of your life and about you, and we want to keep all of that knowledge basically with you instead of storing it in the cloud.